How to download Android apps to your PC. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to download Android apps to your PC. So let's just get started. First thing first, all you have to do here is go to any web browser you have, and you need to download an emulator called BlueStacks. Just search for BlueStacks download and hit enter. Click on the first link that you see here. Now you can find this download BlueStacks button over here. Click on it. It will automatically download the latest version to your PC, and click on the installer to update or install the app. Tap on yes. Now just wait for the app to install. Click on agree and update if you already have the app. So I'll just update the app. It seems like BlueStacks having some issues currently, but once you are able to install the app and open it, then you can find Google Play Store right on your home screen, and you can install any Android apps you want on BlueStacks. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.